Alright guys, today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Megaminx cube. I'm going to let you guys know that this one took me a long time to figure out, but now that I've gotten it figured out, it's a lot easier. So I'm hoping this tutorial will help you. Let's start by mixing up our cube. Alright, now that our cube is mixed up, we're going to start with our white center facing up. Now you're going to go ahead and look around your cube for any more white pieces. They're going to be these pieces here. And what you're going to do is we're going to match it up with its proper color. So you're just going to have to move this around the cube. Match it up with its center. So yellow to yellow center. And then push it to the top like that and make our white star. So this one has red. So you need to take it over to the red center. This might take a while to understand how to move the pieces. So I recommend just like playing around with your cube at first to try to figure out how to get pieces to line up. Then when it's lined up with red, flip it up to the top. Now we have two pieces. All right, so my next piece here is gonna be this one here, and it's already lined up to its center. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it up. Here's one here. This one is dark green. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around and then flip it up. This one is somehow already in the right place. So there we go, get your white star. And now once you have your white star, you're gonna flip that facing down. We're gonna solve these corner pieces next. So what we're gonna do is, we have one corner piece here and I'm just gonna flip it up to the top layer. We're gonna move it over so that is in between white and blue. So white, yellow and blue. Since it is white, yellow, and blue, it's gonna have to go here. So you're gonna hold it above that space. Then on this thing, on this piece where you have it lined up, you're gonna go up, left, down, right. And we're gonna go ahead and do that again. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. And that should line up your piece. Now let's look for the next one. Here it is. We're gonna line up this piece above red, blue, and white. Right above that space. Then we're gonna go ahead and do that again. I like to hold it to the right side like this, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Over and over again until that piece is solved. Here's our next one. So it is above dark green and red. Here it is. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Over and over again until that piece goes into its right spot. Here's the next one. Just do up, left, down, right until that piece gets in the right spot. So if you already know how to solve a 3x3, this is gonna be a lot easier because you already know the basic algorithms. So up, left, down, right to get the corner piece in the right spot. And if you've solved a 3x3 before, you know that's how you get your corner pieces in the right spot. So all of our bottom layer is now solved. We're gonna go ahead and solve these pieces all the way around, this one, this one, this one, all the way around. So let's look for those pieces. Let's look for purple and yellow first. Here it is. I'm gonna slide it over. I'm gonna hold it above orange. And then we're just gonna flip this to yellow. Now, this is where solving a 3x3 will come in handy because you know the middle algorithm. So it needs to go to the right, to the left. So we're gonna push it away from where it needs to go. Do our left algorithm, which is up, right, down, left, and then do our right hand algorithm up, left, down, right to solve that piece. I recommend watching my how to solve the 3x3 tutorial first to really understand this. Next, we're gonna look for yellow and blue. It is right here, so we're gonna slide it over, and I'm gonna go ahead, push it down. And now this piece needs to go to the left again. So we're gonna push it to the right and do the left hand algorithm up, right, down, left, then do the right hand algorithm up, left, down, right. And that piece is solved. So we have two pieces now solved. So the next one is gonna be blue and red. So here, and I'm gonna flip it to the other direction just so that you guys know how to get it to go to the right. So we're gonna push it away from where it needs to go. So we're gonna push it over to the left. Do the right side algorithm first, up, left, down, right. Then do your left hand algorithm, up, right, down, left. And that's how you solve the piece going either direction. So I'm gonna solve these last two pieces, then come back. Now, this is the part that I got stuck on for the longest time. This next part is the hardest part, in my opinion. We're gonna solve these three pieces all the way around the cube. So you're looking at the cube, right? We're looking at the dip, the part that goes in a V, and then there's a part that goes up. We're doing the part that goes down. These three pieces. So we're gonna start with this side here, and we're looking for a green and a yellow piece. So here it is. I'm gonna flip it around, and you sort of just have to play with it to get the piece in the right spot. So now we need a blue, yellow, and green. There it is. I'm just gonna flip it up out of its place. So with this piece here, we need to get it here. So all we're gonna do to get it here is to go like this, up, left, down. Now it's set up. Now we're gonna turn the cube to set up this way. Go up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And that piece is now solved. So our last one, and the piece is already set up where it needs to go. So to solve this last piece, your piece needs to be on this side, and we're gonna turn it like this. Since it needs to go to the right, we're gonna push it to the left, do up, left, down, right, turn the cube to the left, and then do the lefty algorithm, up, right, down, left, and that is now solved, those three pieces. So you can keep doing those same steps we just did for all of them, except for the last one. The last pairing is gonna be the hardest to solve because you have to do it a different way. So I'm gonna keep going with you. I think I'll do like a couple more with you guys. So we need the blue and pink. We're gonna flip that around. When you're looking for pieces, make sure you're not messing up other groupings. So we're gonna go ahead and flip that down. Now we're looking for a red, blue, and pink. There it is. So we're gonna go ahead, do that same thing to get it into place here, up, left, down, right. So now we need to get it here, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, and keep doing that. All right, so our piece again is oddly already in place. So we're gonna go ahead, turn it, push it to the left, up, left, down, right, flip it to the left, and then do up, right, down, left. Okay, two of them are now solved. Let's go and do our last one together, and then I will meet you back up when we solve our ends. So this is our last one together. Let's do red and cream. Sometimes the pieces are super hard to find, so just keep that in mind. It takes me more time to look for these pieces than anything else. Okay, so here's our corner, so we need to get it here. Up, left, down, right, and then get it into this spot. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, until that piece is solved. So last color is green, and there it is. Green and cream. So see what I did there? It's up on the top layer, and I just flipped it into place. You sort of need to have the same color. So flip it to the left, up, left, down, right, flip it to the left, up, left, right, down, left. And now we have three of those solved, and I will meet you back up when we do the last one. I'm gonna do one more, and then we'll come to the last one. All right, our last section here. So we need purple and orange. So you need to get that into the top layer. It's right here. So we're gonna turn it up, push it over, and then push that back down. So we fix that. We're gonna put that down. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slide that piece into place. And we need to find our corner piece. So our corner piece is right here. So we're gonna turn this up right here. Right here. So it was right here. Now we turned our middle piece right here. Our corner piece needs to be in the top layer right above that space. So you're just gonna do up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. See that we got that now? So that when we turn it, it's lined up. We have to solve it up here so that we don't mess up any of our other pairings. So our last piece needs to be yellow and orange. So we're gonna keep it turned like this. And then we need to make sure orange is facing orange. So it needs to go here. So we need to turn it to the left, up, left, down, right. Turn the cube to the left, up, right, down, left. Now, all of our all of our 3 pairings are solved. This takes a little bit of time to learn, but I'm sure you will get it. So our next pieces are gonna be just these corner pieces, which are really easy. So this one is green, yellow, and orange, green, yellow, and orange. So we just do up, left, down, right until that piece is solved. Next one, up, left, down, right on that section until it's solved. Push your corner piece. Make sure you actually find your corner piece and push it over. You can't just do up, left, down, right. The corner piece needs to be above the space. Up, left, down, right. Next one, here. Up, left, down, right until that piece is solved. There we go. Last one. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. There we go. Now we have our middle layer here. And what we do is we do it the same way we solved these. So all you have to do is look for a piece that doesn't have gray on it. Push, this one needs to go over to the left, so push it over to the right. On the left side, up, right, down, left. Then turn it to the right and do up, left, down, right. There you go, that piece is solved. Just do the algorithm for solving the middle pieces for the 3x3, and then you'll be able to solve all those pieces. All right, the top layer is the last step. So first, we're gonna work on getting all of our gray pieces facing the top. So you can see I've got 2 turned the wrong way. So what we're gonna do is we're going to we're gonna hold the gray on the top. We're gonna flip the front towards the right. We're going to flip the right side up. We're going to flip the gray top over to the left. We're going to flip the right side down, the top over to the right, and then put our face back the way it was. So now we still have 2. Let's do that again. So flip this over to the right, flip the right side up, flip the top over to the left, flip the right side down, flip the top over to the right, and then put that back the way it was. Now all of your gray pieces should be facing up. All of my pieces are already in the right spot, but if they weren't, what you're gonna do is, if you have 2 in the right spot, you're gonna hold them in the front and on the side, and then do this algorithm. You would flip your right side up, flip the top over to the left, flip the right side down, flip the top over to the left, right side up, top over to the left 3 times, and then you would put the right side back down. That is how you would get the pieces in the right spot. And you just keep doing that until you have 2 that are next to each other that are in the right spot. Then hold those in the front, and then the rest of them will switch after you do it a couple times. So next step is to get our corners in the right spot. And I already have 2 corners that are in the right spot. So I'm gonna hold those here and here in the front left and then the back left. And these 3 just need to be rotated. So here's the algorithm. You're gonna put the right side up, flip the top of the cube over to the right twice, bring the left side up, flip the top over to the left twice, put the right side down. Flip the top over to the right twice, flip the left side down, and then you're gonna put the right over to the over twice. And now all of my corner pieces look like they're in the right spot. Now, if yours are not, just keep doing that algorithm. Now we're gonna flip it so white is sort of on top, and we're like sort of working off to the side here. So start with a corner that isn't solved in the front right, and then solve it by doing up, left, down, right until that corner piece is solved. Now do not turn your cube whatsoever after that piece gets solved. So there it is, it's solved. Make sure you flip that over again. Now just turn the bottom until you get another piece that isn't solved, and then just do that again. Up, left, down, right until that piece is solved. Then you're gonna go ahead and flip it over one more time. There we go, cube is now solved. Hopefully this tutorial was able to help you. I really hope that it was helpful. Let me know down in the comments below what kind of tutorials you guys want to see next, and I will see you next time.